करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तं करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तम् वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटे शयानम् बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि। Just now we chanted Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha from the Bhagavad Gita, the whole gamut of the text. Culled out from different chapters. The very chanting started with a verse, shloka, Chaturvidhaha bhajante ma janaha sukritino arjuna. Chaturvidha, 4 types of sukritina, good people. Auspicious people, God-loving people. That is the meaning of Sukritina. Such people, they are of 4 kinds. Krishna is not telling anything about bad people. Good people also of 4 kinds. Artaha, the first one is Artaha. One who is in agony, one who is in trouble, संसार चक्र में फंसा हुआ, तड़पता हुआ, ऐसा जो मानव यात्रार्थी वो होता है आर्त। जिज्ञासु हो, second one who is a man of queries, man of questions, one who wants to attend his own queries, one who wants to enrich his knowledge by asking various types of questions in the company of great scholars. Jijnasu, jnatum ichchuhu jijnasu. His will to know is very powerful. So, he will be विद्वानों के संगत में रहकर अपनी जिज्ञासा का प्रशमन करता है। ज्ञान संवर्धन करने के लिए वही रास्ता है। तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया। भगवान ही कहता है ज्ञान प्राप्त करना है ना तुमको, जो अच्छे लोग हैं उनको प्रणाम करो। प्रणिपातेन, वे करुणालु होते हैं, तुम्हारी जिज्ञासा का सही उत्तर दे सकते हैं। They are capable of giving proper answer to your queries. That is Jijnasu. Artharthi, the third one is Artharthi. Artham is not only money, it is utility. He is very utility-oriented man. Calculative fellow. While doing anything, he calculates whether I can receive some benefit out of it or not. Artharthi. Last, the final one, he is Jnani. Jnani, well versed, enlightened man, highly enlightened man, highly fulfilled man, spiritual master, away from small consideration, above all type of trivial considerations. So, that type of man, Jnani. Tesham jnani nityayuktaha eka bhaktihi vishishyate. That is how the next sloka follows. Krishna says, among all, I like that jnani. Because jnani, highly enlightened man, he is highly committed fellow. He is always competent fellow. He is always consistent fellow. Whatever he takes, he continues that until he gets the ultimate result. That is how Jnani Nitya Bhakta, Nitya Yukta. He is regularly practicing yoga. He is ever devotee of God. Ever, not never. Forever he is very much devotional. That is why I like him. That is what Krishna says. Now in this world also we see such people. Now you know many people, God-loving people, they have their own God. They go to their temple, rush to those temples, they will be stampeded, there will be many casualties. All these things happen. That is why Krishna says, Jnani, your devotion must be highly sublimated, purified by pure knowledge. Without pure knowledge, no proper devotion. That is yoga. In Yoga Marga, we must have this type of people. People of enlightenment, people of competency, people of commitment. They only become yogis, they only become bhaktas. You can name them in different nomenclatures. You can say bhakta, you can say yogi, you can say sadhaka, you can say Mahatma. All such words ultimately imply the same meaning. Men of highest, purest knowledge, men of purest action. They are called bhaktas, sometimes they are called yogis, they are called sometimes Vaidikas, great Mahatmas, Rishis, different names are there. Now time has come to activate that power inside. We are here, many of us here, sitting in this Mangala Mandira. We have to search. What is that content in me? Whether I am Artaha, Jijnasuhu, Artharthi, Jnani. I earnestly feel that all these are in our personality. Here we are, many are students of Yas Vyasa. Many are great Sivavritis of Vyasa. Many come for regaining good health in our Arogya Dhama. Arogya Dhama, there are some people. Punya Dhama, some people go to Vinayaka temple and do sadhana, that is Punya Dhama. Undergo treatment, they are in Arogya Dhama. Some people attend classes in this Mangal Bandira, study Yoga Sutra, study Kirana Samhita, study Hatha Yoga Pradip. Gaha study the Upanishad, Brahma Sutras, Ayurveda texts, Charaka Sushruta, Vagbhata. They are in Jnanadhama. Some people, they serve without expecting anything. I see many people, highly devotional, highly committed. They are all in Seva Dhama. That is how in all different dhamas means in Sanskrit, Tirthasthana. Dhama means Tirthasthana, sanctified place. Yatrasthan, Tirthasthan, Punyasthan, इसके लिए धाम शब्द का प्रयोग होता है संस्कृत में. So we are there. We are all there. So that sometime we are artha. When problem comes to our health, mentally someone becomes unhappy due to some reason, seen and unseen, physically problem comes due to age factor, due to many other seen and unseen factors, man has to undergo. They are artha. Jijnasu, our students, they must be jijnasu. They must go for enrichment of their knowledge. Their study must be so scientifically structured that they must not waste their time. Artharthi also is good. He is utilitarian, that's all. Utility is very important. At the same time, every time we cannot go for calculation. Not good. At the same time, we must think of what is the to be achieved. What is the ultimate result of this action? Because we are there to act, to address some result. So that artharthya also okay. But ultimately we must go to that height of jnani. Tesham jnani nityayuktaha. He is practicing yoga every day. Ek bhakti hi, unshakable commitment he has. He dedicates his whole life for some cause. Some aim, some ultimate destination he aims at. In order to achieve that, he strives hard. जीवन में एक लक्ष्य, दिव्य ध्येय की ओर तपस्वी बनकर जीवन भर अविचल चलता है. इसके लिए ज्ञान चाहिए. ज्ञान के बिना ये नहीं है. ज्ञान कम होगा, कुछ दिन के लिए करेंगे, हट जाएंगे. ज्ञान का ये प्रकाश है, इसका प्रभाव है कि वह जीवन भर अविचल चल सकता है. सज धज कर आवे आकर्षण, पग पग पर झूमते प्रलोभन. अपने जीवन के रास्ते में रुकावट आती हैं, इनके होते हुए भी वो उनसे ऊपर उठकर लगातार चलता है लक्ष्य की ओर. वो ज्ञानी है. ज्ञानी का विशिष्ट अर्थ है. ज्ञानी यानी एकेडमिक मैन ऐसा नहीं है जो बहुत परीक्षाओं में उन्नत दर्जे में पास होता है. हाईली कॉम्पिटेंट मैन. He got very, very high rating of IQ and very much successful in all competitive national, international examinations. Okay, it is great, no doubt. But here in this context, Jnani means one who got that purest form of Jnana Prakash, because of which he can march ahead in spite of many hurdles at every step. ज्ञानी नित्य युक्ता, एक भक्ति, ऐसे लोग ही आगे चल सकते हैं. हमको ऐसा व्यक्तित्व संवर्धित करना है. योगा डे कमिंग वेरी नियर. आवर चांसलर Dr. Nagendra ji has given a wonderful message in Yoga Sudha in his editorial this time. The whole Prashanti missionary must be ready to respond to that call. What is that call? It is Madhumeha Mukta Bharat. This is one point program for all of us. पूरा विश्व ने इसके लिए स्वीकार किया है, हस्तांकन दिया है। विश्व भर में हस्तांकन, but ultimately its actualization, it depends upon those who are sadhakas. Madhumeha Mukta Bharat, that is our dream now. It is not only mere dream, it is to be actualized, it is to be translated into reality. Reality. आगे बढ़ना है. We have to march ahead. 21st June must revolutionize the whole scenario, global scenario as such. It is possible. जब हम ज्ञानी होंगे, हम आर्त है, अर्थार्थी भी है, जिज्ञासु भी है, किंतु ज्ञानी भी है। पढ़ते हैं, परीक्षाओं में उत्तीर्णता प्राप्त करते हैं, एमएससी करते हैं, मैनेजमेंट में करते हैं, थेरेपी में करते हैं, साधना करते हैं। इसका परिणाम क्या होना चाहिए? क्या एबीसीडी आ गया, एमएससी आ गया, बीएससी आ गया, क्या पूरा समाप्त हो गया? नहीं, आगे बढ़ना है। भारत को रोग मुक्त करना है। भारत देश के हमारे नौजवान अपने बचपन में ही शिकार बन जा रहे हैं मधुमेह में। सो मधुमेह, डायबिटीज इज सो डेडली, इट causes death in installments. If death in a single blow, no problem. If death it is in installments, dying every day, every moment, it is horrible, you know, in our life. Such dying people around now in India, in Bharat. इसलिए मधुमेह मुक्त समाज भारत, that is our aim. We know government also is preparing 35 minutes cassette they are preparing. Experts, they have taken the task. Already it is prepared. So yoga message will go to every nook and corner of Bharat, inside and outside. अच्छा काम है, उसमें भी हम शामिल हो जाएंगे. That is also our task. So that with those 35 minutes message of yoga practice, let us go to the mass. No doubt that we have to go, because people, ordinary people, they have no more time to do. But everyone got some time, precious time early in the morning, so that we can go to those villages. There we can select some temple, small hall. We can call those people, and our doctor's team goes there and they check. Diagnosis will be done. In the light of diagnosis, what the treatments to be started, that also they suggest. And then yoga practitioners must start conducting the classes, so that the package type program will be there for 35 minutes, so that some asanas and pranayama, meditation, all this will be there, very, very helpful for them, so that those people will be highly benefited. they रोग मुक्त हो जाएंगे, मधुमेह मुक्त हो जाएंगे। धीरे धीरे ये लक्ष्य हम जरूर पहुंचेंगे। Slowly we go to that destination. So मधुमेह मुक्त भारत, that is our main aim. So that before 21st also it is राष्ट्रीय योग सप्ताह। योग का जो आध्यात्मिक पक्ष है हम उसको नहीं भूलेंगे। योग में दो पक्ष है, एक आध्यात्मिक पक्ष है योग का, आत्म योग का पक्ष है जो मन को उदात्तीकरण की ओर लेता है, जिस कारण से मानव साधक बन जाता है। आसन प्राणायाम यम नियम ये सब साधना करते हुए वह ऊपर जाता है, यह क्वालिटी मनुष्य बनता है। यह आध्यात्मिक पक्ष है योग का। दूसरा पक्ष तो रोग निवारण का पक्ष, थेरेपेटिकल पार्ट। दैट इज द यूनिक थिंग ऑफ दिस प्रशांति कुटीरम। That is what our great sadhakas they have shown it. Yesterday only it was day for asthma removal. Yesterday, 5th of May, it is considered as asthma day by WHO, WHO, World Health Organization. Actually, this Prashanti Kutiram started with that venture. Dr. Nagaratna ji has taken that mission first, so that thousands of people benefited. Now another highly alarming thing, it is Madhumeha, diabetes. We have taken that as a challenge. That is our mission. इसलिए हम इस विश्वविद्यालय से आध्यात्मिक पक्ष जो है योग का उसको भी निभाएंगे, साधना पक्ष। हम कुछ साधक बनकर सुबह उठकर योगाभ्यास करेंगे, ध्यान करेंगे, भगवान का ध्यान करेंगे, पूजा पाठ करेंगे, यज्ञ का अनुष्ठान करेंगे। ये एक योग का पक्ष है। दूसरा बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कालोचित पक्ष है, योगानुकूल पक्ष है। मोस्ट रेलेवेंट पार्ट इज थेरेपेटिकल योग। विद दैट वी गो टू एवरी नूक एंड कॉर्नर ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड। ऐसा एक मौका, सुवर्ण क्षण आ रहा है। हम इस रास्ते में सीना तान कर आगे बढ़ेंगे। राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ का आशीर्वाद है, संघ के ज्येष्ठ अधिकारीगण प्रेरणा दे रहे हैं। पूरे भारत में संघ की सहायता से गांव-गांव, शहर-शहर में मधुमेह मुक्त भारत का कार्यक्रम चलने वाला है। इस दृष्टि से कुलाधिपति का, चांसलर का संदेश योग सुधा में प्रकटित है। आप सब देखेंगे, प्रेरणा प्राप्त करके आगे बढ़ेंगे और ज्ञानी बनकर एक अच्छे भक्त के नाते नित्य योगी बनेंगे। नित्य युक्त एक भक्ति ही विशिष्यते, ये भगवान का संदेश है। ज्ञानी ही एक भक्त है, ज्ञानी ही नित्य युक्त है। ओम तत्सत्। ओम असतो मा